Finished my Gizmo today. With this kit, components like this one you have to make. So you get a little piece of plastic and you have to heat up the little wires, stick them into the plastic, heat shrink the tubing, and then plasti dip it to make it black, and then you're going to put on the rub-on. And then these are pieces of acrylic, laser cut acrylic. These are all the little pins I had to put in. You put them in strips, and you glue the pieces of acrylic on, put the little Sanyo stickers. These are also laser cut pieces of acrylic. You have to put on the rub-ons afterwards, the rub-on decals. And then all the other little circuits on the board, along with the daughter board here, which was like a little secondary project. And you can put on all the little heat shrink tubing on all these little resistors, the stand-up ones. And then you get all these capacitors below the Nixie tubes. The Nixie tubes, you have to put the heat shrink tubing on all the wiring, and then super glue the little LED underneath. You kind of see it. And these are real Nixie tubes, Russian Nixie tubes. So they would work if they were hooked up to work. And I have the aero box here. I'm going to light it up. So all the LEDs are going. LED chaser. I even hooked up a little green LED in the aero box. I figured it was empty and something needed to go in there. So two of these wires actually connect to the LED instead of just all of them not doing anything and just being for show. 9-volt here. The actual electronics in the back. The little potentiometer wheel to change the sequence of LEDs. The on and off switch. The little PIC controller. The 5-volt power regulator, and 2 more capacitors. So those are pretty much the real electronics on this thing. Everything else is just for show. Change the animation sequence. This is what version is, 1.1 on the board. So you can have it chase to the right, faster, really fast, chase to the left, slow, speed it up, or have them all on. I like them like this.